Hi, welcome to Chili's. I don't know why that meme is so funny to me, but it's funny and I love it. As you can tell, we're at Chili's and this is my first ever food review or a food vlog. You can call it whatever. The first thing we ordered is some watermelon juice because it is watermelon season, and who doesn't love watermelons? Do you love watermelons or do you love watermelons? It was a hot day and I got pretty tired of shopping, so I had to put some ice cubes. The ice cube really said, "No ice cube for you." The ice cube really made me want to throw it out the window, but then it decided to let go. Obviously, one ice cube isn't going to do the job, so I decided to put 2 more to quench my thirst. I also didn't want to catch a cold because COVID's being bad again. Bad COVID, bad. Yeah, so I put no more than 3 ice cubes, yes. I absolutely loved the watermelon juice here. It was so sweet and refreshing. I would 10 on 10, would definitely try again. Not me thinking I spilled watermelon juice on my new jeans. It would have been very terrible if that did happen though, but luckily it did not. If you see me looking around, that's just me looking around for people who might be staring at me. This dance has got me obsessed. I know it's an old trend, but I do it 24/7, even in bed. I nearly died of starvation by the time the food came. They said it'd take 20 minutes, but it took 22. Ugh, bad service. I can't. Here's me showing you the scrumptious, lumptuous food. I think we ordered seafood or prawn fried rice, but if it's called seafood fried rice, what's the point of calling it that if it only has prawns? Like, liars, the peas don't come from the sea, the rice don't come from the sea, like, what? Anyways, my mom thought it'd be a good idea if she filmed me while I was making a TikTok. I mean, it was a good idea. It made the video longer. It'd be a short video if she didn't film me making a TikTok. I really don't know what's with my robot accent coming in and coming out. Ignore that, please. Ooh. I already was starving a lot, and my mom decided to make me starve even more and make my stomach look like my heart. Empty. My mom is so gonna chase me with the electric mosquito killer after she sees what things I say about her. Anyways, I should stop villainizing my mom so much. I swear she's not like this. She's very kind and lovely. She cooks me food, yes. Now let's villainize my dad. I'm kidding. I love you, Dad. You. Every time we order food or go out, he always has the first bites. And his hunger starts to kick in right when we film. So that's very lovely, isn't it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure my dad's gonna chase me with a hanger too. Pray for me, please. I'm kidding. My mom doesn't hit me with the fly swatter, and my dad doesn't chase me with the hanger. I was kidding. I love you both. Please don't kick me out of the house. I love you. My TikTok recording was finished and I could finally eat in all peace without my stomach crying. The perks of being an only child are great, aren't they? I do have to admit that's one of the biggest shrimps I've ever seen at a restaurant. The shrimp was a little chewy on the outside, but it tasted good on the inside, so I'd say 7 out of 10. I sure am gonna have to rate this fried rice a 9 out of 10 because it really was good. And the rice with the beef thing, I forgot what it's called, but whatever it is, it's very good too. I'd rate it about a 7 or a 6.5. I completely forgot that I had to tell you guys what I ordered, so let me get that out of the way right now. The things we ordered were some barbecue chicken, something to do with beef something, I really don't remember the name, and some Chinese vegetable with some fried rice, seafood fried rice. Have I said that? I think I did. I don't know. And of course, the clumsy me I am, I forgot to put a napkin over my new jeans. Ugh, how can I be so forgetful? How about we try some no ice, some room temperature Coke? Gotta love that on a hot day. Like, come on, they could have given me more than 5 ice cubes that I used on my watermelon juice. Like, why do you... Ice is just water, frozen water, and water is free. I really wasn't a big fan of the Chinese vegetable thing because I don't like vegetables like that. But I do eat bhaji and whatever my mom makes, and don't think I don't eat my vegetables. It's almost 2 a.m. at night when I'm voicing over this, or voiceovering, whatever, but I am so hungry. I could eat the fridge. Did I rate the chicken? I don't think so, but if I did, well, there's that. If I didn't, I am so sorry. I like the chicken. I like the chicken a lot. I give it a 8.5 out of 10. Very solid, good chicken. I give the Chinese vegetable a solid 3.5 or 3 out of 10 because it's not one of my favorites, but I can see why people like it. I am still mad about the ice. Why does literally everything have to fall when I'm recording and I'm trying to look good on camera? Like, I eat fine off camera, but when I turn the camera on, everything decides to say, nope, not today. Caw-caw. Wait, chickens don't caw-caw, they make another sound. Ignore that. How about let's change the topic with another sip of normal room temperature Coke. Room temperature Coke is spicy, very spicy. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like button. Do it. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free, like literally go do it right now. Overall, regardless to what I said and didn't say, I love the food here and I would 10 on 10 would eat again. But I want Coke in my ice. Coke in my ice. No, ice in my Coke. Oopsies. The good thing is, I didn't get anything on my jeans. Another sip of spicy Coke because why not? Cheers. We took all the home to their food. Not home to their food. We took the food we couldn't eat home. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.